and our company is manufacturing automotive interior parts for all the major OEMs here in Germany. Before Proton, we were also working with another Polish supplier for the same kind of hall, but then Proton was introduced to us. We were very impressed with the presentation made by Proton and all their facilities, and then price was also very nice, so we decided let us try with Proton. We started with one project in 2016. This project was very successful for us. After that, we have another new need in 2019, so we decided that we will continue with Proton, and I will say it was a really good experience with Proton because the price was further appreciated and we could get better prices. So we continued further and we expect further new projects with Proton. This hall which we built is about 700 quadrat meter hall. It is the third hall now which we built at our location. The hall, normally we want to use it for such projects which we can place outside of our building, but the hall is very nice. It is very lighted hall because the roof is transparent and there is a lot of light inside the hall. The construction of the hall is very professional. The hall was made very fast. I would say we were really surprised with the delivery timings from Proton. The team was here only for 10 days, I think, and they finished the hall. So everybody was surprised that the hall can be built so fast, but I will appreciate the delivery of the halls from Proton. We are really happy with Proton. The basic advantages with this kind of construction, I will say there are a lot of advantages which we found because we were expecting some new projects and we were in need of a new space which can be used for our new storage area. And we were really in a time pressure. Then we contacted Proton and they told it is not a big issue. The only hustle was to get the approvals from the local authorities, but Proton supported us there as well because they were having a local engineer here in Germany who were supporting us with the documentation, and we get it through with local authorities very fast. And then this hall was possible to build very fast in comparison to the normal halls because it does not need the complete fundament below this. There are only some point fundaments which we need where normally the structure will be built up. It was a very fast construction methodology, I would say. So we saw there are a lot of advantages with this hall. A biggest advantage is also there that if and anytime we don't need this building anymore at this location, we can simply unscrew it and move it to a new location. So there is always a flexibility also behind such kind of construction. So we are really impressed and we could recommend also to someone else also that they can go for it.